everyone, welcome to my next vlog. So I went to Mojoland recently and honestly it was such a fun day. So we started with Snowland. They gave us jacket and boots. It literally felt like I was in the mountains. We played in the snow, laughed a lot. It was freezing but amazing. We enjoyed together. Look, everybody enjoying the snow, and my child is very happy. Then we went straight to the water park, did some crazy rain dance, wave pool masti, and those big slides. Oh, I actually did them. So let's start the complete vlog. So here I am showing the band. You know, I always feel car sickness during travel. So if you often feel car sick or feel like vomiting while sitting in a car during travel, trust me, you will feel the difference. This band can really help. So I have added the link in the description. You can buy it from there. So by the way, look at this tunnel design. It's looked so cool.
पार्किंग है पूरी, वो अंदर पार्क है पूरा, कहीं भी लग जाएगी गाड़ी। मतलब है और ये अपने का वो नहीं है और वे उन कई पूरे दिन बैठे रहे हुए, हम पागल हैं फिर।
So the moment we reached the grand entrance made me feel like
ये तो गाड़ी आ रही है।
and the excitement began. So our first stop, Snowland. Yes, real snow. We were given so this is the entrance of Snowland, as you can see.
You've never seen me in this video, but I like you guys. You should subscribe.
We were given jackets and boots, and suddenly it felt like I was no longer in the middle of summer, but in a snowy wonderland. We played with snow, slipped around, laughed like kids, and took a lot of pictures. It was freezing, but so much fun. Look around. Everywhere is snow, the real snow. And my child feels so chill and enjoyed a lot. I tried to catch every corner of the park here. This is a structure of igloo, and we entered inside. That was so slippery. So I'm going to try. See, I entered and it was little warm. And when I went, my child is also tried. So this is a snow slide. Everyone was tried, but we didn't. Actually, that was so risky. So we get out from there after half an hour. So next we moved to the water park. So here we were sitting in a toy train. So this is the entrance of water park. So first we change the clothes. So this is the area of rain dance, and here my child's fully enjoyed in a pool. We don't know how to swim, but enjoyed a lot. So the moment the music hit, we jumped into the rain dance zone and just danced like nobody was watching. And after that we entered the wave pool, and trust me, those waves can really toss you around in the most fun way possible. And yes, I dared to try the giant slides. So here we enjoyed near the wave pool. This is wave pool. I dared to try the giant slice. My heart was racing, but I did it. I'm proud of myself that I did. I don't know how to swim, and it was difficult for me. So after that, we grabbed a quick bite inside, just enough to keep our energy up, because we had a special plan at one of the most famous restaurant nearby, that is Sukhdev. You can see the name of that famous restaurant. So here we are sitting and enjoying the food. The food absolutely delicious, worth the wait and the hype. And finally we returned home, tired but smiling. It was one of those days that makes you feel alive, full of joy, laughter and beautiful memories. I highly